Hello dear students, good morning to all of you. Today we will discuss about debenture as the source of finance of a company for raising funds for long term. Dear students, as we have discussed already about the owner equity, that is equity share capital and preference share capital, in the series of raising funds for long term sources of finance in the company. Now today we have we will discuss about debenture. So dear students, first of all we should know that what is debenture. Then remember one thing that as I have already discussed that there are two types of equity. First is owner equity and second is debt equity. Debenture is a kind of debt equity, or we can say that debt source of finance for raising long term sources of finance, where debenture holder get fixed rate of interest on debentures, and this interest will be payable after every 6 months or 1 year. Basically dear students, since debenture holders are not a kind of owner, since they are lending the money to the company, or simply we can say that company is borrowing the amount or borrowing the money from different people, that's why debenture holders are a kind of creditor. Debenture holders are lending money, or we are borrowing money from debenture holders through the debentures or by issuing debentures for a certain time period on which rate of interest is fixed. Dear students, this is the debenture holder who always helps to create a kind of source of long-term source of finance for company whenever company required sources of finance, and especially debentures are issued by those company who are in good position. It means company is earning much more profit and the company wants to save its profit as well as tax too. That's why the company tries to borrow loan by issuing debentures. Dear students, I think you have got the definition of debentures. So simply debentures, we can define the debentures that it is a kind of debt source of finance which is issued by a company for raising long-term sources of finance on which rate of interest is fixed and which is payable after every 6 months or 1 year. Or simply we can say that debenture holders are a kind of creditors. Now on we have discussed the debenture. Now we will discuss about its types. Dear students, here 6 types of debentures are given. There are some other types of debentures too, like zero interest debenture, non-registered debenture, something else. So dear students, today we will discuss about these debentures, the types of debentures. Basically debentures have been divided into 6 types. First is secured debenture. As it is clear with its name that secured debentures are those debentures which are issued against a certain collateral. It means if the debentures are issued by the company against any fixed property or against any fixed assets, it means the debentures holders are getting a kind of fixed charge against particular property, then it is called secured debenture. This secured debenture has the right that if the company is not refunding the amount, if the company is not paying the amount to the debenture holders, then the debenture holders can file a sue against the company and get their payment back by the auction of that particular property on which against which the debenture has been issued. Next is unsecured debenture. Unsecured debentures are those debentures which do not have any kind of security against as the collateral. Now next is convertible debenture. Dear students, convertible debentures are those debentures which can be converted into either in equity share or in preference share or in other category of debentures. Now you were started thinking that other category of debentures. Basically, dear students, if the company is issuing debentures, the rate of interest on debentures are fixed or rate of debentures are mentioned like this. Suppose that the company is issuing 9% or 7% debenture, then it will be written like 7% debenture. It will be mentioned before the debenture which the company is going to issue. Like this. Now if the company wants to convert this 7% debenture into 8% debenture, it means company is not going to redeem or company is not going to pay the amount of debenture holders in cash, but the company is holding the debentures and converting them into from 7% to 8% debenture. That's why this 8% debenture will be, the 7% debenture will be converted into 8% debenture. Now the debenture holder will get 8% rate of interest. So convertible debentures are those debentures which can be converted either into equity share or in preference share or in different rate of debentures. Next is non-convertible debentures. These debentures are simple debentures which are issued for the purpose of redemption. It means the company, if the time period of the debentures have been fulfilled or completed, thereafter the company has to return or refund the amount to the debentures holder according to the norms, according to the provision, according to the norms of issue. Next is redeemable debenture. Dear students, redeemable, it means repayment. Redeemable means repayment. It means those debentures which are issued by the company for a certain time period, after which the company is going to redeem it. It means repayment it. It means company is going to make the payment to the debenture holders. Thereafter, next is registered debenture. It means those debentures, it refers the category of debenture which is registered at the time of registration or incorporation of the company, which is mentioned in the liability clause of the company, that the liability of the company will be limited to the debentures taken by them. So it is known as registered debentures. Now dear students, on the basis of above study, we find some merits of debenture. That is, first merit is investment is safe. It means, dear students, we can say that in debentures, if the debenture holders are investing their money, then their investment will be safe. It means debentures are preferred by those investors who do not want to take any risk, because they have their fixed income source, because debentures have fixed rate of interest like 7% debentures or 8% debentures. So here investment is fixed. Now next term, that is less costly. Dear students, if the company wants to issue its debentures, then they do not need to take permission from so many authorities like board of directors, memorandum of association, article of association, or registrar office of company, company law board, or Security Exchange Board of India, SEBI. There is no need of much more formalities. That's why debentures are less costly in comparing to issue of preference share and equity share too. Now, dear students, the next merit, that is tax saving. Dear students, debentures are issued for the purpose of tax saving. It means interest on debenture is a tax deductible expenses. Therefore, there is a tax saving on debentures too. Now, we will discuss about some demerits or limitations of the debentures. As we know that if we are borrowing funds through any source of finance, these have, if these have some merits, then these must have some demerits. So first of all, dear students, charge on assets. The company has to mortgage its assets to issue secured debenture. If the company wants to issue secured debenture, then they have to use their assets as mortgage. It means if in future the company is not capable to pay the debt, then that particular property will be sold by the debenture holders on the basis of the permission, and they will get their payment back. Next is reduction in credibility. Dear students, with the new issue of debentures, the company's capability to further borrow funds reduces, because if the company has already issued debentures, then until or unless the company is not paying its debt, then again it will be difficult to raise funds or to borrow funds from other sources of finance. So it reduces the credibility of the company. So dear students, now I think you have got the merits and demerits. Today we have discussed about debentures, its types, and its merits and demerits. Tomorrow we will discuss the difference between debenture and share. Till then, thank you.